Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Ford Territory TX, stock reference number 5343. This shape runs from the 4th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a 2.7 litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2.7 litre V6 turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, radiator grille, left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Does have a cutout for the tow bar. It's got an aftermarket Hayman Reese 2.7 tonne rated tow bar with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, single stack CD player, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.